Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best gas fire pits for backyard or patio. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best gas fire pits for backyard or patio based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Bond Manufacturing Newcastle Propane Firepit Heater. The Newcastle Propane Firepit Heater by Bond Manufacturing is made from Alloy Steel and Envirostone, which are both sturdy and portable materials that make it ideal for usage in the great outdoors. This Newcastle-style spherical firepit heater is finished in stainless steel and stone and produces 40,000 BTU of heat. The stainless steel burner in the fire pit is concealed by natural lava rock, and the pit itself is protected by a lid. It's simple to light and put out the flame with the pulse ignition, and you can alter the size of the flame with the turn of a knob. The fire pit is fueled by a 20 pounds propane tank and protected against the damaging effects of the sun, hot and cold temperatures, and salt with a pro-coat coating system. There's no assembly needed, and it weighs a hefty 44 pounds. The Bond Manufacturing Newcastle Propane Firepit Heater is a wonderful way to add ambience and illumination to your outdoor space. Number 2. Outland Living Robson Fire Table. The Outland Living Robson Fire Table is a beautiful and practical outdoor coffee table. This gas fire table is made from stainless steel and aluminum and boasts a manual control valve for smoke-free variable flame, height, and adjustable heat output to provide a comfortable evening hangout. If you want to observe the fire without getting too close, you can get a classic black tempered glass tabletop and an Arctic Ice ornamental glass rock set that weighs 15.5 pounds. This square fire table has a maximum heat of 42,500 BTU/HR. Tank size for a regular 20-pound propane tank and requires assembly for placement on non-combustible flooring with 80 clearance. The Outland Living Robson Fire Table will be a fantastic addition to your patio. Number 3. Outland Living Mega Fire Pit. The stylish Outland Living Mega Fire Pit is great for any outdoor living space. Polished alloy steel and stainless steel enhance stability and longevity. The no-mess fire bowl produces 58,000 BTU/HR of clean, smokeless flame for comforting warmth and stunning evening atmosphere. The fire pit has a pre-attached 10-foot hose to connect a standard 20 lb propane tank cylinder. A 6.6 pounds genuine lava rock set and an adjustable regulator with chrome valve knob are included. UV and weather-resistant cover, CSA-approved natural gas conversion kit 780, and gigantic carry bag 761 are available separately. Outland Living's Mega Fire Pit is made of high-quality steel and enamel to last. Manual ignition allows you to create new experiences with family and friends outside. Number 4. Bond Manufacturing Mondavi Gas Fire Pit. The Bond Manufacturing Mondavi Gas Fire Pit complements any outdoor space. This lightweight, durable Envirostone fire pit is spherical to prevent cracking, fading, and chipping. Pro-coat protects it against UV light, severe temperatures, and salt. The fake concrete surface adds style and elegance to any patio or deck. This fire pit heats and lights with 50 kBTU. Pulse ignition makes lighting and extinguishing the smoke-free flame easy. Adjust flame size using the simple control knob. It also has a lava rock, stainless steel burner, and a protective cover. The Bond Manufacturing Mondavi Gas Fire Pit is ideal for outdoor entertaining. Its lightweight, robust, and attractive design will make any outdoor living space stand out. It also comes with a protective cover, tank seat, regulator hose, and lava rock. An external 20 pounds propane tank starts it. Upgrade your outside space today. Number 5. BALI Outdoors Propane Fire Pit. The BALI Outdoors Propane Fire Pit is a wonderful addition to any patio, deck, or yard. The rectangular tabletop of this contemporary fire pit is crafted from natural slate, while the base is built of steel-stamped wicker. We've concealed a 20-pound liquid petroleum gas tank within the table, and a 60,000 BTU LP stainless steel burner to keep you toasty for hours. Includes 6 individual tiles that may be removed and replaced to change the aesthetic of your fire pit. The BALI Outdoors Propane Fire Pit comes with 15 pounds of fire glass to help you set the mood for an evening spent outside. The 77.5-pound fire pit requires minimal construction and will become the focal point of any outdoor event. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.